mind, looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Poole Locke YouTube channel. I'm James Locke. Today we're going to go on and answer some more of the Ask James questions of the day. First question today from Karen. I've been with other advisors who said a lot of great things, who made a lot of promises to me, but once they took me on as a client, I felt like their service was terrible. So how can I find out more about the service before I choose this person as an advisor? Karen, great question. Thank you for bringing up the importance of service when choosing an advisor. It's often overlooked, but crucial for a successful client-advisor relationship. Now, as an advisor myself, I sometimes focus too much on the technical aspects of managing money and forget that exceptional service is equally vital. Here's the thing, not all advisors prioritize client service equally. Some are more geared towards sales and new client acquisition rather than maintaining ongoing relationships. Once they onboard you, their attention might shift and you could feel neglected. However, there are advisors who recognize this potential pitfall and address it by hiring dedicated service professionals. These team members are often licensed and trained to handle client inquiries and support, ensuring a high level of service continuity. When you're evaluating an advisor, whether in person or over the phone, ask about their support team. How many people will be dedicated to servicing your account? Are they licensed to provide financial advice or merely administrative support? Understanding the structure and capabilities of their service team will give you the insights into that level of support you can expect. Another crucial question is about accessibility. How often will you have direct access to your primary advisor? Will you be passed off to different team members for routine matters, or will you maintain regular contact with the advisor you initially engaged with? In larger organizations, it's common for clients to interact with a team, which can be efficient if everyone is well informed and capable. However, it's essential really to ensure that your primary advisor remains accessible when you need more personalized advice or during critical financial decisions. Think of it like visiting a doctor's office. You might see a physician's assistant for routine checkups, which is fine for most situations, but when it comes to more complex issues or important decisions, you want the assurance that you can speak directly with the doctor, the person you trust and who knows your situation best. Ultimately, the key is transparency and communication. A good advisor will openly discuss their service model, team structure, and how they ensure consistent and quality client support. By asking these questions up front, you'll gain a clearer understanding of what to expect in terms of service quality and responsiveness. Great question as always. Thank you. If you'd like your question to be answered, you can shoot us an email at poollocke@poollocke.com. All right, moving on. Second question today. This is from William. He says, I've been managing my own money my entire career. Do I really need somebody else at this point? I'm about 5 years out from retirement. All right, William, that's a thoughtful question, especially as you're approaching retirement and have been managing your own finances throughout your career. Whether you need a financial advisor at this stage depends on a number of factors unique to your situation. Let's dive deeper. Number one, envisioning your retirement lifestyle is crucial. Many people focus on managing their investments and forget to build a clear vision for retirement itself. The most fulfilled retirees are those who have a solid plan for how they'll spend their time and resources in retirement. A financial advisor can help you articulate and refine this vision, ensuring you're moving towards retirement, moving into retirement with clarity and excitement rather than uncertainty. Assuming you have a clear retirement vision, the next consideration is your investment strategy. You're transitioning from a phase where total return, combining interest, dividends, and capital appreciation, was likely your primary focus. As you near retirement, the emphasis typically shifts to an income-first approach. This means prioritizing investments that generate reliable income to replace your paycheck. Now, you might have the knowledge and capability to educate yourself extensively over the next 5 years, taking courses on government bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, preferred stocks, high dividend common stocks, REITs, BDCs, annuities, other income generating options. With this textbook knowledge, managing your investments might seem feasible. However, here's the crucial question. Despite the theoretical knowledge, do you have the practical experience managing a retirement portfolio? This is your life savings we're talking about, a nest egg that needs to sustain you throughout your retirement years. It's not just about academic understanding, it's about real-world application and the potential pitfalls and nuances that come with managing investments during retirement. Consider the risk involved. Retirement is meant for enjoying life, not for starting a second career as a portfolio manager. A financial advisor brings not only expertise, but also experience. Experience managing retirement assets through various market cycles and economic conditions. They can help you navigate the complexities of income generation while minimizing risk and volatility, ensuring your financial security aligns with your retirement goals. Ultimately, William, the decision rests with you. It's about balancing your desire for hands-on control with the peace of mind that comes from having a seasoned advisor in your corner. That's a very good question. Two great questions today. If you would like your question answers, you can go ahead and email it into us at poollocke@poollocke.com. If you like what you heard today, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. I'm James Locke, your retirement income source. I'll see you next time.
Money on my mind, looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine. Retirement is near, don't you live in fear. Listen up, my friend, let me make it clear. Savings in the bank.